My art is trash, man. He said my art is trash. She said my art is trash. They said my art is trash. I really suck, man. I don't know why am I even doing all this drawing. I can't even draw. I don't know what's wrong with me anymore. I quit. I just quit. If you are like this, then my friend, you have an art block. But I'm gonna teach you how to get rid of it fast. So pay attention. Number one tip to get rid of art block is just do what you like, right? If you like watching movies, watch movies. If you like watching anime or cartoons or any TV shows or anything, just watch it, okay? Just enjoy it, just enjoy yourself, okay? If you like reading, just read. If you like going out with your friends or alone, then just go, do it. Just be free or take a break, anything. Just sleep, eat good food, okay? Just do what you like to do. That is the biggest tip to get rid of art block. And art blocks doesn't only occur to artists. It occurs to every type of artist, writers, dancers, musicians, singers, and I don't know, a lot of other artists or people, okay? The causes of art block can differ from person to person. Everyone has a different cause of getting an art block. For example, I had an art block while doing these cat girls, okay? While I was doing the cat girl video, while I was drawing these cat girls for the cat girl video, okay? The previous video. So that is why this last one over here did not turn out good enough. And I took like a whole day to draw these 4 characters. Alright, that is something called as an art block. You just procrastinate, you just don't feel like doing anything, you just, I don't know, just get stuck. You just feel like my art sucks, my work sucks, my writing sucks, my singing sucks, or my music sucks. Like everything sucks in life, alright? You just feel like that when you are having an art block, okay? So the causes can be different from people to people, okay? So in this painting in particular, the art block occurred, according to me at least, was because that I was doing these repetitive character designs every day for every video, okay? So that is why I just got bored and just got, I don't know, stuck. Just didn't feel like doing anything, okay? Didn't feel that I wanted to do these characters, okay, these drawings, because the routine was getting repetitive for me. So that was the cause of my minor art block, okay? Then it can also happen because of stress, okay, any type of stress, okay, be it your workload or your personal stress or whatever, I don't know. It can also happen because you do not have a goal or a dream in your life. You do not know what you want to do in life, alright? And then the art block can also occur because of negative people, right? So for example, people who tell you that your art is shit or your art sucks, even if you know that your art is good, and still people tell you that you suck. These are just negative comments, okay? Even I have people who tell me that I suck, but I know my art is good enough, okay? Yes, it needs improvement, but still. So yeah, so get away from these negative people, or else they will just pull you down, because that is their job basically, alright? And find positive people, find your friend circle, find your people, okay? Then it can also occur because of you having not enough sleep or nutrition, okay, lack of food, or not eating properly, alright? So yeah, so these are all the factors which causes an art block, and many other mental problems, okay? So yeah, I think that's it. So the quickest way to get rid of art block is just do what you feel like to do. And if you feel like drawing, okay, if you like to draw, then just force yourself to draw, okay? Even if that's a single line or a smiley face, just force yourself to draw, because the action of drawing, it just moves on ahead, all right, as you put your pencil on the paper, all right? So yeah, so remember that. And yes, also if you are stuck with a drawing subject, like for example, I'm like tired of doing these character designs, okay, find something else to draw. Like for example, drawing a fan art, or drawing your OCs, or doing some paintings, alright? So recently I've started drawing a Naruto comic. So that is the new stuff that I'm doing. Okay, so that has motivated me to draw again, to get rid of these character designs and move on to something else. And then after some days, after a few days, I can just get back to these character designs and just start doing them again. So yeah, so that's it. Just remember to do whatever you like to do if you want to get out of art block fast and quickly, and subscribe, or else you will never get out of art block. Until next time, see you later. Bye.